Okay, so today we're going to do a little activity on matching in atomic structures. So there's a website here that'll help you if you need a little reminder or a review of the different particles, protons, neutrons, electrons in the atom and what their functions are. Go ahead and open this up and hit edit. And then don't forget to go back into the assignment and hit submit. So for this, you're just going to read the top card here, which is negatively charged particle in the atom. Don't forget these pictures, these three pictures over here. So it tells you how many matches you have. Do the best you can to move them around and get them all in the correct spot. So negatively charged particle in the atom is going to be an electron. So I'm going to move that there, and so on and so forth. And then go ahead and you can move the pictures too, just so you know. Pretty sure that one goes there. But until you get all of your cards out here, you may find that you switch them around for what's better than a better match than others. So don't get too hung up on it being absolutely perfect. Do the best you can. This is a review assignment, something to get you thinking about the different parts of the atom. So have a fantastic day.